Hi everyone, I'm Cindy Pinot and I'm here today to give you some tips and advice on how to perform the perfect Brazil Cacau reconstructive service in your salon. I've had the delight to work with Brazil Cacau since 2011 and hopefully throughout this video I can shed some light on trials and errors that you might experience in your salon. Brazil Cacau has 3 steps to follow during this service. Step 1, the anti-residue shampoo with a pH of 9, removing excess buildup from the hair and opening the cuticles. Step 2, the reconstructive treatment with a pH of 2.8, quite acidic, but this helps to realign the cuticles, leaving the hair smoother, shinier and frizz-free. Step 3, the deep conditioning mask with a pH of 4.5 to finalize and seal in your perfect Brazil Cacau service.
Step 1. Wash the hair with Brazil Cacau anti-residue shampoo and leave the foam on for 5 minutes. This helps to remove excess buildup on the hair, opens the cuticles to prepare the hair for further treatment. Therefore, no pre-softening is needed. Drying the hair 80% helps to spread the product easily, making it more pliable, therefore using less product. Divide the hair into 6 equal parts and section off. Measuring out step 2 is of utmost importance. Depending on the length and thickness of hair, start by measuring out 20 to 40 milligrams. Step 2. Applying Brazil Cacau Keratin Reconstruction Treatment. Start from the neck, one section at a time. At the base and around each section, close to the root but not touching the scalp. Remember to apply to the top and bottom of each section. This can be done by dividing the section in half, then applying the reconstruction to the upper and lower and inner parts of the hair. Spread the product with a fine-tooth comb through the entire section, roots to ends. You can also milk the section to ensure the whole area is evenly coated. Don't apply more product than necessary. Cool air drying is essential to dry only 2 sections at a time after product application to ensure comfort for both client and stylist. By doing so, fumes are reduced, and this method with cool air allows the hair to dry faster. Why dry with cool air? As the step 2 is a heat-activated treatment, it is advised to only start the activation in the straightening steps. Repeat step 2. Measuring, application, spreading and cool air drying on the remaining 4 sections. Remember to only do 2 sections at a time. To help lift and dry the hair faster with cool air, you can use a vented flex dry wet brush. Provide your client with a visor when you dry around her face. This will help remove any discomfort of the fumes around her eyes. Divide and section off the hair to prepare it for the straightening part of the service. Straighten the hair in fine sections with the titanium plate straightener. A titanium plate straightener heats the hair from the surface level in, therefore helping to seal the product on the hair from root to tip, ensuring the correct passovers and temperature for each client. This is something that will have to be determined and assessed by each stylist for each individual client for their hair needs. General straightening settings and heat guidelines are as follow. For fine damaged bleached hair, ensure to pass over 6 to 8 times on 200 to 210 degrees Celsius. Colored or chemically treated hair, pass over 7 to 10 times on 210 to 220 degrees Celsius. For virgin, extremely thick, coarse hair, pass over 7 to 10 times on 220 to 230 degrees Celsius. Only use carbon line combs throughout the straightening service. Carbon combs are designed to withstand high levels of heat and therefore also wear and tear from common hair chemicals. Carbonite material is ultra lightweight and super strong. Its anti-static helps to eliminate flyaways and reduce frizz, giving a smooth finish to provide less friction, therefore reducing damage to the hair cuticle. To help with resistant frizzy roots, you can easily pass over the roots 3 to 4 times before you start your count. This will help ensure that more heat is applied to the stubborn root areas. For more problematic root areas, after the straightening service is done, you can reapply step 2 only to the problem roots. Dry it 100% with cool air and re-straighten the product into those sections only. When straightening around the client's ear, have her hold her ear flat, therefore you can get closer to those sideburn curls. Hold the hair so that it cools down before you lay it down onto her ear again. Working in V sections towards the face will help you smooth close to the roots on the curved part of the front scalp area. Step 3. It's essential to rinse out the product completely post-straightening service and to apply the Step 3 Brasil Cacau Deep Conditioning Mask to help rebalance the pH to 4.5. Leave the mask for 5 minutes to ensure that the product is sealed in, leaving the hair smooth and shiny and frizz-free. It's suggested to finger dry the client's hair at this time to show her the before and after. Thereafter, the hair can be dried, styled, straightened, or even curled as desired. Brasil Cacau client expectations are vastly different. always ensure that the client knows what to expect from the service that is offered, and that Brazil Cacau is not sold as a straightening service, but rather as a reconstructive treatment to help realign the hair's cuticles, leaving the hair smoother, shinier, more manageable, and frizz-free. Brazil Cacau has a wide range of recommended aftercare products for the clients to ensure long-lasting smooth hair with lifespan extending of the keratin straightening service. Using these products will ensure long-lasting results from your professional salon treatment.